everyone, this is Super Ate Vlog, and for today's video I'm gonna show you guys the surroundings. It's a foggy night po. I just got out from work. Time check is 9. Sandali lang po, titignan ko yung oras. 9:30 in the evening po, at ito po ang aking surroundings. Ano po, foggy evening po. Syempre malamig po dahil winter nga naman. And I'm waiting for the taxi kasi magta-taxi po akong uuwi. And I think he's here. Ayan. I'm getting in na po. Hello. I don't know how to make it. So, pauwi po ako. And then, I wish I can show you around, pero wala pong makita na sobrang foggy po this evening. At tignan kung nakikita niyo po ito, it's not rain po, it's not raining, it's just a fog. Yan, and almost grabe yung parang 75 visibility yata ngayon, kaya hindi masyadong mabilis yung mga sasakyan. Yeah, it's not it's the fog.
Okay. Straight away.
Yes, yeah.
That side
Yes,
too much.
yes. No problem, because see the fog today, it's too much.
Too much.
Yeah, sorry guys, I'm talking to my driver, and it feels like Christmas. It really feels like Christmas, although they're not celebrating Christmas here in Kuwait, pero sa mga tao na may gusto lang naman, kasi marami din mga Christians dito, so kahit hindi po masyadong open, let's say, some people is still celebrating din po. Ayan, nakikita niyo pa ako, I'm wearing hoodie dahil malamig nga naman po. So yun lang ang ating short video, and mag-ingat po ang lahat. Ano pa, kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe sa munting channel ko.